Let me show you how to change body position in Photoshop. Start by duplicating the layer, press Ctrl G, then go into the Properties panel and click on Remove Background to automatically remove the background from the photo. Next, disable the top layer, then make a selection out of the mask by holding Ctrl and clicking on the mask thumbnail. Then select the layer below and go into Edit Contents or Fill. To remove the runner from the background, press OK. Disable the selection, enable the runner layer and right-click and convert into a smart object. Next, go into Edit Puppets or Warp and click over his body to add pins. Then you can click on drag on a pin to reposition his body. Subscribe for more Photoshop tutorials.